So let's now talk about the pivot points. The pivot point is the level where the stock or an instrument is said to be at the equilibrium, which is the equal point. A draw line, you can name it as, or a referee line. The other side is are buyers and other sides are sellers. If you imagine a war between buyers and sellers, the pivot is the middle line. You can imagine like that. So this pivot line is always neutral. See, this is the blue is the pivot line, and above the pivot line is resistance and below is support. So you can see that the above this pivot line is a bullish, and below this pivot is bearish. So these pivot points are used from histories of stock market. Many successful traders rely on only this indicator for their trading because it's such reliable. It is used by most successful from traders from history to even today. So you must take important note of this indicator. So what can we do with the pivot points? So what if you know the where the price might reverse, where the end of the trade, where the beginning of the new trade, will you be happy? If yes, then this is the indicator you should know very well. The pivot points know the reverse point, end and beginning of a trend. The pivot point, so many of them will say some formulas, high minus low minus. Just it is not that, it is just average of high and low of the previous day closing price. That's it. You can they so do not make complicated. Our aim is to make simple strategies with less risk and more profit. This is what we are going to do. So simply it is the average of high and low of the previous day or previous week or previous month candle. So there are many type of pivots. They will say Cameron pivots, Fibonacci pivots, this pivot, that pivot. They will say some more like we are now going to standard. We are going to see about the standard pivots, which is floor pivots. So any rejection at the higher level, see as you can see here, the price is rejected from this resistance. You can see then it goes down. As you can see, the price is reversed from the support, it goes up. So you can see that when the price if the price reversed from the support, it goes to the CPR. If the price goes to the resistance, it comes back to the CPR. So you must take note of this important point. So this pivots you can also compare with previous day pivots and next day pivots. See the pivots, if it is the yesterday's pivot and today pivots fall higher than this, then it is said to be bullish. When it is fall below it, it is said to be bearish. When it falls equals to it, it is said to be range or slightly bullish or slightly bearish. You will see more about this in the upcoming videos.